Welcome, today in front of me REALME GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality in this device. So first you should go to the settings and now scroll down to the convenience tool. Right now go to the screen recording and here you get the video resolution. Go there and you can switch your video resolution to the highest, to the medium, to the low, or to the custom one, and you can choose by yourself what you want. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.